Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can tell the time in Greek. Η ώρα, the time. Η ώρα is a feminine word. And we will see how this is important a little bit later on. Now let's see first how we ask about the time. The most common question is τι ώρα είναι? What time is it? Another way of asking is έχετε ώρα. This literally means do you have the time, but this is an idiomatic Greek phrase. It actually means what time it is. Έχετε ώρα is also a polite way of asking. Έχεις ώρα is the casual way. Now let's see how we answer to this. What I told you before about the time being feminine applies on to here. The hours 1, 3, and 4 o'clock have a feminine version when we tell the time. And it goes like this. When it's 1 o'clock, we say είναι μία η ώρα. It's 1. When it's 3 o'clock, we say είναι τρεις. When it's 4 o'clock, we say είναι τέσσερις. For the rest of the hours, we follow the numbers as they are. Είναι 5 η ώρα, είναι 6 η ώρα. Η ώρα meaning o'clock. Now another way of telling the time is when, for example, you need to say, I'll be there at this time, I'll be there at that time. So let's see how this is phrased. If you want to say, I'll be there at 1, you say, θα είμαι εκεί στη μία. For those that have studied articles, they will realize that that sti is at the. T means the. That sigma is ses. T. And it's singular and feminine because the time here is a single number, 1, and it's feminine. Okay? Στη μία, when it's 1 o'clock. When it's 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, it's a plural number, so the article looks like this. Στις. Θα είμαι εκεί στις 2. I'll be there at 2. Θα είμαι εκεί στις 3. I'll be there at 3. Θα είμαι εκεί στις 4. I'll be there at 4. Θα είμαι εκεί στις 5. I'll be there at 5. You may also notice that here I didn't say η ώρα in the end of each phrase because as it is in English, also in Greek, this is not necessary to say o'clock in the end. Now, what if it's 5 minutes past or quarter past or half past? It is phrased like so. For past, we use και. And another thing is that in Greek, we phrase this the other way around, which means that when it's 5 past, 1, for example, we tell the hours first and then the minutes. So it goes like this. Είναι μία και 5. Και 5 means 5 past and 1 o'clock is here. When it's quarter past, 3, for example, we say it's 3 and then it's quarter past. It's half past 4, it's 4, half past. Και μισή. Είναι 4 και μισή. When it's 2, quarter to, yes, or 5 to, we phrase it like this. Είναι μία παρά 5. It's 5 minutes to 1. Είναι 3 παρά τέταρτο. Quarter to 3. Είναι 4 παρά 25. 25 to 4. Είναι 4 παρά 25. Some more relative words you can tell when you tell the time is τα μεσάνυχτα, which is the midnight, and τα ξημερώματα, which is the dawn. I hope all that was useful to you. Thank you very much for listening.